I'm going with 3 small bags of cassava leaf. So I'm going with 3 whole garlic cloves. And 1 medium onion. So I have the cassava leaf in here after blending it and stuff. Just gonna add the blended onion and garlic. Three tablespoons of blended crayfish. To give it that smokiness. Half teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. I add half teaspoon of ground cumin. I typically go with oregano, but I don't have that today, so cumin is a very good substitute. Has a nice smell to it. I'll let this cook for at least an hour. Since I have my meat already pressure cooked, I'll add those later, but we need the cassava leaf to cook for some time. So as you know, this one is going to be a little bit different because I'm adding okra. We're making it Leonean style. And I have 16 whole pieces here. But if you only have the frozen option, you can go with, this one is 12 ounce, the 12 ounce bag. Just let it thaw, blend it a little bit, and add it to your cassava leaf. Do not cook this one because it's already cooked. So I'm just going to remove the hard portions here. Cut it into half and blend it. So it's been almost an hour. And I'm about to add the okra to the cassava leaf. But before I do that, since the okra is completely raw, I'm going to cook it for about 5 minutes. I'll just add a small amount of salt to give it a bit of flavor, 1/4 teaspoon. Before everything is combined, I'll add the rest of the ingredients to the cassava leaf. 2 full teaspoons of hot peppers, completely optional. 9 small beef bouillon. That's the Maggi brand. I've been cooking this on medium heat, but I had to reduce the heat to low since as you can see the water is almost dry, so I reduced the heat. Once the okra is cooked, we're gonna combine everything. Before we add the okra, let's add all of our meat. Got a few pieces of chicken, cow skin, some stockfish. The okra is done. I'm just gonna pour it in here. Turn the heat to medium-low. Give it a stir. And just let it cook down. This soup is pretty much almost done, but I just want it to cook. I just want it to incorporate very well. And then I'll add palm oil. Okay, I've had this cook for a while. About 15 minutes on low heat, or medium low heat actually. Make sure as you're cooking this soup, you want to stir occasionally so your cassava leaf doesn't burn. And one thing about it is it will take a while to dry up, so it's very important that you stir occasionally. So that was about a cup of oil. Add a little more, a little less, up to you. I'm just gonna let it cook for 5 more minutes and then cassava leaf is ready.